Well, that was boring. Interphase is the first step of mitosis. The cell is complete, has a nucleus, and is considered 2N. Prophase is the transitional phase where chromatin in the nucleus begin to condense and become visible in light microscopes as chromosomes. The nucleolus also starts to disappear. Metaphase is next in line, and it is where the spindle fibers align the chromosomes along the middle of the cell nucleus. Due to the cell eventually splitting into two, this will allow the new nucleus of each cell to have one copy of each chromosome. After the nucleus receives a copy of each chromosome, the paired chromosomes then separate at the kinetochores and move to opposite sides of the cell. The final phase is telophase, where chromatids arrive at opposite poles of the cell, and new membranes form around the daughter nuclei. The cell then starts to split and ends with 2N. Prophase 1 is where the chromosomes condense and migrate towards the nucleus. Each chromosome is made up of two identical chromatids known as sister chromatids. The nuclear envelope and nucleoli also dissolve at this time. Metaphase 1 is where homologous chromosomes move to the center of the cell. The chromosome where the chromatids are held together are located in the opposite poles. Anaphase 1 is the phase where the chromosomes migrate to the opposite poles of the cell, and the sister chromatids are not separated, but remain together. Telophase 1 is where both the poles have a haploid number of chromosomes. A nuclear envelope also begins to form. At the end of the phase, there are now two daughter cells that have a haploid number of chromosomes. Telophase 2 is the final phase in meiosis. It is where four nuclei, two each and a daughter cell, are formed along with the process of cytokinesis. Each of the four nuclei develops a nucleus, which results in four daughter cells or gametes being formed.
Good. Move to the middle. Spread out a little bit. Great. Okay, this is metaphase. Okay, anaphase, so disconnect. It's three. It's